I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What's up? So today we are packing slash styling slash like getting ready for my trip to New York. Today is Thursday night. I leave tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So excited, over the moon. So yeah, we're going to be styling, planning my outfits, and just preparing for the trip and packing. If you're not new here, you know I love to travel. If you are new here, now I'm telling you, I love to travel. Nice to meet you. I got so many new clothes to go up with, like to go up to New York with, but now that they're all here, I'm like overwhelmed, like, okay, what the hell am I gonna wear? So yeah, let's just look at all my clothes and just see like what I know I want to bring with me. Friday night, so tomorrow night, I'm having dinner with a bunch of my cousins and my boyfriend, so I want to wear something really cute. I don't know what I'm feeling for dinner on Friday night. I'm looking at all my options and I'm a little overwhelmed, but that's okay. There's this plain white shirt, but it's like, am I that basic for real? I am, but I'm trying not to be. Like, do I really want to be that basic? High neck sheer bodysuit, and I could wear like a black bralette under it. What's the vibe? I wanna be dressed up just a little, but still kind of chill. So let's say that these are my contenders for Friday night's outfit. We'll try everything on. Saturday is gonna be fun. Saturday we are ice skating, going to the Museum of Sex, and we are going to a comedy club. This cute little number here I wanted to wear Saturday, and I wanted to try it on with this cardigan. I thought it would be so cute together. Like, I had bought them on the same day from 2 different websites, and I was like, okay, that's a fit. So yeah, with a pair of like cute ripped jeans, yes, it's a vibe. So we'll try that on, make sure it looks good too. And the reason we're trying all these stuff on, because like, you know when you have an outfit in your head and then you try it on and you look it in the mirror like, and then you're looking back at yourself in the mirror like, and then you're looking at yourself again in the mirror like. That's the moment I'm trying to avoid. I don't want to get all the way to New York and then be like, ooh, this outfit is ugly. Okay, I know for a fact I don't want to bring this tie-dye bodysuit with me to New York. If you guys want to see all like the new clothes that I'm looking at, I uploaded 2 hauls, 1 Pretty Little Thing haul, 1 Shein haul. That's where all these clothes are from, all these new clothes. So check that out. I know I don't want to bring this bodysuit. And then Sunday is going to be a chill day. Like, we're not doing much. We just, you know, we're going to be driving home. So like, I need like a real chill outfit, like something real low key, nothing crazy, you know what I mean? So I think I'm going to do these black sweatpants with this, with that basic V-neck white bodysuit, long sleeve. It sounds basic, but like, I promise you it'll be so cute when I put it on and accessorize it. It's gonna slap, okay? Trust me. Trust the vision, trust the vibes. Okay, I was iffy at first, but I think this is it. I think this is the vibe for dinner Friday night. This is actually so cute. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, so that's why I'm not looking in the camera, because like, I'm actually wearing these outfits out. I need to see how I look in person. But this is the vibe for Friday night's dinner. So cute. Boom. You guys can't see it, but I just have on a pair of long black boots. So this is Saturday's outfit, multi-dimensional slay, because like, this can give you so many looks. Like, there's this, and then if I can take this off, it's freaking cold, I'll never have to take this off, but like, the bodysuit alone slaps. But then like, say I button one of these buttons, yo, I'm serving you like 12 looks. Like, what? So cute. But I'll mostly wear it like this. Ugh, marvelous. This is mad cute. Oh my God. This is just how I wanted it to look. With this look, because we're going to the Museum of Sex, I'm gonna wear my checkered black Vans, just because like, I don't want to put on a nicer shoe. Like, I'm gonna be jumping around and like bouncing around at the museum, you know what I mean? And here we have Sunday. It looks plain now, but like, I'm gonna have on like some more jewelry and accessorize it. And it is kind of plain because like, we're not really doing anything Sunday. Like, we're just going home. Like, I'm probably gonna visit some family, maybe get like some lunch or something, but like, Sunday's chill, you know what I mean? Like Sunday, we really don't got that much popping. So this is Sunday's fit. We've got like this high cut long sleeve white bodysuit that I absolutely love. I love this bodysuit. And these black sweatpants from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah, boom. This is actually cute. I'll need a picture of this. Okay. Ouch. Okay, that was surprisingly a little bit easier than expected. I'm gonna be honest, when I travel, I don't fold things very well. I literally, which is why I try to save space and like pack as light as possible, because I don't have the time to fold everything up in here, and then everything only fits in the bag if you fold it a certain way, and then when you're coming back, like you have to fold it that same way so everything fits, and it's like, no. That's a little bit too much for me. I usually overpack, so like I'm forcing myself to not do that by planning out my outfits. These are my contacts because I'm not gonna be wearing glasses there. It's bad for pictures. My skincare, I can't bring my whole skincare routine, which is like, I know, that freaking sucks. But I'm gonna bring like my base product, like the most important product. My makeup bag, if you wanna know what I'm packing, literally just watch my everyday makeup routine video. It's every single one of those products. Also, if I pack light, I can shop a little bit. I'm a genius. How exciting. I leave tomorrow morning. I should be asleep right now. I have filmed 3 videos tonight. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, all that. To be honest, I'm too tired for this. I don't have the energy for a real outro. Follow me on Instagram. Bye.
Fuck it, check me up. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your